recipient of Academic Excellence Award. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Aisel B. Bendibel. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Javi Caliza. Certificate of recognition for being the Supreme Secondary Learner Government Grade 9 Chairperson. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Alexandra Almaty Colaza with honors. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Jamaica C. Dangan with honors. With another certificate of recognition for being the Supreme Secondary Learning Government Grade 9 Representative School Year 2023-2024, with certificate for being the demonstrated outstanding talent, dedication, and artistic participation of the Pinawag-Nawag Dance Festival. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Jeneline S. Digo with honors.
Yay! Hello, nasunod si Jeneline! Congrats, Tisay! Congrats!
Certificate of recognition is awarded to Martin T. Provexado with honors.
Certificate, oy.
Certificate of recognition is awarded to Ronald Lu L. Saberon. With another certificate of recognition is given to Ronald Lu L. Saberon for being the second placer in Pop Quiz Araling Panlipunan. And another certificate of recognition is awarded to Ronald Lu L. Saberon for being the Supreme Secondary Learner Government Grade 9 Representative. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Argelo C. Mondo with honors, and another certificate of recognition for being the Supreme Secondary Learner Government Grade 9 Representative, and certificate of recognition for being the Dancer Pinawag-Nawag Festival. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Umukwa, alaw sa panay.
And now, let's proceed to the Grade 11 awardees.